Hello, this is Charles Tippy from the Ed Services Department, and in this tutorial, site coordinators will learn how to run the participation reports for the Smarter Balance system so that they can see which students are not finished with testing and can coordinate the makeups. So the first thing we're going to want to do is start off at your friendly local district SBAC Haiku page, and we're going to go down and click on the site coordinator link for 2014-15. And then once that loads, we're going to go down, scroll past the blogger, classroom activities, you have the testing manuals here, and you're going to go ahead and click on the CAASPP main page. And then we're running the completion status report, so we'll go ahead and click on the completion status link right here. And it's going to ask you to log in with your Tom's username and password. So that's your first name dot last name, and then the password that you set up. And then we get into the test management center here. So you have a lot of different options here. And what you want to know right now is which assessment you're looking for, which assessment has been given. So the first thing you need to do is choose between the Smarter ICA, IAB, or the Smarter Summative. So the ICA are the interim comprehensive assessments. Those are those mirror blueprint assessments, which are about 4 hours long, and we haven't really used those in our district yet. The IABs are the assessment blocks, which we did as the district activity earlier this week. So you're going to probably either choose between this one and the summatives. So the summative obviously is the link that you would choose when you do the summative testing in April. So I'm going to go ahead and do IAB. And then you do have a couple options here. You can leave this set to test all. And when you get your report back, you would get a listing of all of the assessments listed here. So what I would choose is I would be more specific and choose the assessment that was given, and that way I can target it. Now, it may be useful to do this later on in testing when you've given 2 or 3 tests and you want to get all the kids in and their tests made up. So I'm going to look at the high school interim ELA informational text, which is the assessment that we just gave this week. And then I'll leave grades to all, teacher to all, and I'm going to go down here to step number 3 and change it to students who have not completed any opportunity in the selected administration. So this is going to give me a list of students who have not finished the high school interim ELA reading informational text. And then if you do generate report, that'll give you an on-screen report. It's a little bit faster, but you need to do the export report so that we can get this into Excel and import it into the sheet that I'm going to show you soon. So I'll click on export report. Alright, so now you are going to need to open up that spreadsheet, and you're going to actually open up the sheet in Excel, and then we'll copy all the information and paste it into the Google Sheet that we have set up. So this is part 1, and it shows you how to get the information out of the Smarter Balance system. In step 2, we will look at merging that information with enrollment data from our student information system.